Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the option to suggest emojis on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to tap on languages and input, and let's take a look on the keyboards. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on screen keyboard and pick the keyboard you've got currently set. So I've got the Gboard. Here we have to enter text correction, and as you can see on the fourth position we've got show emoji suggestions option, which is turned on in my case, but if you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher here, and your device will be allowed to show you some emoji suggestions whilst typing. So actually this is it. This is how to activate emoji suggestions in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.